In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Shopify Easy 2026 Guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in HubSpot, how to find the official Shopify app, and how to start the installation so your store data can sync smoothly into your CRM. First, open your HubSpot account and land on your main home dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct workspace with the right permissions. Ideally, you should be an admin or have access to install apps. If you manage multiple portals, double-check the account name in the top bar so you don't connect the wrong one. Next, look toward the top of the screen for the Marketplace icon. It typically appears in the main navigation bar. Click that icon to open HubSpot's app options. This is your central place for finding vetted integrations that extend HubSpot's functionality. From the menu, choose HubSpot Marketplace. This takes you into the App Marketplace, where you can browse or search for specific tools. You'll see categories, featured apps, and a search bar near the top, which is the fastest way to get where we need. In the search bar, type Shopify. Give it a second to load results. You're looking for the official Shopify integration, often labeled Shopify Data Sync. Selecting the official listing helps ensure reliable data flow, ongoing support, and up-to-date features. If you're unsure, open the app's page and review the description, ratings, and the publisher details to confirm it's the right one. Click the Shopify listing to open its details page. Here you can skim the overview, see what objects sync, like contacts and deals created from orders, and read any notes on eligibility, mapping, or limitations. This page may also highlight common use cases, such as segmenting customers by purchase history or triggering automation when an order is placed. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot will guide you through the connection flow. You may be prompted to confirm the HubSpot account that will host the integration and then to authorize the connection to your Shopify store. Keep your store URL handy and be prepared to accept requested permissions so the sync can read and write the necessary data. During or after install, you'll often see options for choosing which records to sync and whether to enable two-way updates. If you're new to data sync, start with default settings, then refine field mappings later. Once installation begins, watch for a confirmation message in HubSpot and check the sync status page. After the first sync completes, spot check a few contacts or orders to verify everything looks right. If you run into issues, ensure you have the right permissions. Disable any pop-up blockers during authorization, and confirm you selected the correct HubSpot portal and Shopify store. That's it.